Hey, all right. Hey, Dave Knight here, 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I am a short at the 2 o'clock mark, roughly. 1:30 Central Time, 2:30 Eastern, my time. We'll go ahead and lock in 12 ticks now. Basically, I'm looking for the 53,000 mark or better. On the down, retested the 100 per barrel mark, and the close is what I'm looking for. I'm actually moving my stop up. See, it says 333. Actually, 333 is a 2P. Look at this. A 3P move right now is 499 ticks. Look at that right there. I've never seen ADR as high as this in my lifetime of trading, day trading. So that translates out to 136. All right, we'll see if there's anything left to do here. I traded at the S2 lines, what I was trading at right there, and taking some profits. Might be a trade between the 215 to the 230 mark. We'll keep our eyes open for that. All right, where's my spreadsheet again? Okay, so we were talking about this. So a 1P move is 166 right now. That's pretty good. $101.99. So today's low is 99.76, and today's high is 109.72. So here's your ranges for the day right now. If we look at the open range, so 109.42, 109.42. This is our ranges when we first started the trading day. 129.40 is a 12P move and down to 89.44 on the other side. So I got a little too close to the market there. High of that bar was 101.66 and then 101.67. Can we make a move back to S2 again? I don't know. Let's look at volume quickly. See what kind of volume bars that we've shown today. We see a high blue bar above 1,000. That's about it. Where were these bars at? 861, 866, 874, 872, 812. The only one above 1,000 is right here. It's when we hit the S3 line today in the lows. Put a trend line on that. It's about right there. When did that come in the market? That came in at 9:46 this morning. I'm looking for 3 more minutes to go by right now. Looking at the 115 mark. What I'm looking at right now, what I'd like to see at this point is kind of a push like this, maybe going for this up here. So you see this move, and then we have a sell-off in the close. See if we can define our diagonals a little bit better, trend lines in the close. I'd like to see well, we might, S2 might be support line today, or the resistance line, excuse me. It holds the market back right now. When we come back down, or we might just do this in the close. I don't know. We'll see. $113 now. Might not see the push until 10 till, or 120, excuse me. Let's bring over our 15-minute chart and look at that quickly. There's our push down off of the lows from we marked the charts from last time that I was trading, which was I think last Tuesday. March 3rd. That was a while ago. It's a couple weeks ago. We came back to it on March 9th. See a sell-off into March 13th into the 14th. Sunday into Monday. Went as low as 99.76 today, I believe. It's kind of the move I was looking for. I'd like to see it get to the S2 mark. Watch it hit the, here we go. It's kind of the move I wanted to see. Really don't want to risk 98 ticks today. Let's go grab this, push it down. We'll guard the 10.201 mark. Actually, we could guard our entry point. Where's the high of that bar right there? Let's go off it a little bit. We'll guard the 10.222 mark for now. Yeah, it might be one more push up before it goes down though. Hold on. Added the second contract in. Looking for the market to fall here. On the side net, I'm going to be looking for the 53,000, 50, like 53, 54, 5,500, or 53,000 and some change to be able to cruise into the rest of the combine. I like to protect the 10,222, but I need it to come down a little bit further. Looking for further down on a Monday. They call it turnaround Tuesday. Continuation Monday. Looking for the run to the 101 mark roughly. Okay, how was that move? 10,237. Sure, I won't be able to grab the rest of this, but we'll move this up to the low. High volatility, I'm looking for a big trade win. Move me on to the next step. Obviously, looks like we can trade above our loss limit, so let's take advantage of that. And high volatility. Won't be able to do that in pro funded. I'll only be able to trade. That's not letting me move it right now. I'll have to wait for that to get below 1,000 to move. Okay. Let's get this well out of the way. So we're expecting a move down into close. I guess we're risking a reset now. High volatility, you got to do things somewhat unusual. Step one, step two. Probably a flattened kind of day here in the close. I'm obviously must still believe that we're heading back down. We need to redefine this trend line though. More like that. Can easily run back down here and lower in the close. Looking for a push this way in the close. Can't do this in pro funded, by the way. Get your ass handed to you and you lose your account. Talk about being wrong. Now that'd be a reset day, huh? Need to push back down into here, back to the S2 line. I really don't believe this is I think this is a false up move. It's going to sell off real soon. All right, here we go. See if we can catch that, the move I'm looking for. If we can get a $1 move our way, that'd be good. 100 ticks. What would that be? That would be 10.231. So we need 101.31, huh? Shit, lost that one. I have to come off on that one of my own. Let's measure a 1.5p move from here. It's 10.231. I mean, excuse me, 10301. And a 1.5p move from here. How high did that get? 303? 304. 10304. 1.5p down move from there is a 1005. Oh, we just made a new high. Oh, we might get burned today. $103.22 now. 1.5p move from there. Well, we have to wait to move it now. Till we get below 1,000. Really nice GAN setup now. Beautiful GAN setup. To push back down here. Might not happen at the 130 mark, but when it does break, I believe it does break real hard and fast down. I'll talk about being wrong. Not catching the right wave today. 1, 2, 3. And then this P&L to get below 1,000 to be able to move it right now. On your 15-minute chart, it went back up to here. So now I obviously believe the sell-off is coming. coming back into this area. That's kind of where I want to get my contracts off, right down here. Should be able to make that move down day today. Should see another continuation down move. Right, to get into that fat of that bar right in there. Looks like 101.5. Watching this here. As soon as this gets below 1,000, I'll be able to move it again. All red today. Look at this on the quotes. All the quotes are red. There we go. We say 101.5, right? We're using the flatten bar today, it looks like. Pull orders. I believe that one right there is the flatten.
Hey, they called. I gotta go pick up Mom. Say hi, Michelle.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi, Michelle.
Hi. Hi. Happy late birthday.
Oh, thank you.
All right, I'm gonna run. Okay, I'll be back. All right. Okay. All right. No, girls, no. Ladies, you're not going. Not today. No, I don't think it's got it.
Minus 500. That's not a bad thing to get off right there. If we're wrong, it's like we need to move 10,260. Oh, we're real close on top of being. Here we go. Start moving these down now. Don't believe we get above that again the rest of the day. Just that'll be our failure line today. Okay, so now we're setting up our GAN going the other direction. See if we can have a continuation move here for a little bit. I'd like to grab one of these though. Be able to move it a little bit closer. And keep the other one at 10,333. Shit. It's not going to play with us correctly right now at all, is it? So I'm looking to move into pro-funded, or at least get enough a gain today to put myself there. Should be able to get it with the one move down that I'm expecting him into the 4 o'clock mark. But 3 to 4, my time. Still believe we have a dog down part of this trade still left. Going to move up to it's 161 though. Call it 171. That should be enough to move us into the next level or close to it. Is that 161 looks better. 161. High volatility requires maybe that second contract today wasn't the smartest thing, but I really thought I was going to move to the pro funded to be able to move to the next level. Still believe I can get there. It's a nice down move right now. See, what are we looking at right now? We're looking at a move 10,231 to 10,661. To 102.31 to 101.61. 70 ticks times 2 is 140. Let's look at my TopStep account on my other computer, see how far I am from moving. $51,811.9. Puts me at 53,211. That's good enough. That should be able to play with that for the next few days to get myself into the next days complete 3, and I need 10 days. There's 102.222. Right about here makes a positive day. So what am I looking for? Bottom line. Let's move this over. Pretty simple. Hopefully y'all can see this. We got the fat of the bars right in here and right in here. Actually, right below the S2 line. It's got some fat right in here too. Actually, I want to move up a little bit higher to 101.65, 66. positive day right now to move in. Only a $200 loss to get out at break even now. It's not a bad day considering where I was. Minus 250 from here. Closing in on a positive day on this second contract now. Not bad just to get out of this trade now. Take our losses onto the next day. Doesn't move our way. Looking at trying to get a positive day today now. We have a positive day on at 207. We have 4 trades and we're at a positive now. Positive day at 204. We'll take the positive day today. Shit. Really thought I'd be able to move on today. Alright, so today was day 4, I believe. $51,811.9 was yesterday. Looks like I'm at 51,897 today. Hopefully you can see some of the things you can do in the T4 count. In high volatility, you're just looking, at the end, I'm looking to get back to break even. 4 trades, plus 10 ticks. Taking advantage of what I believe would happen. The fat of the bar coming back to the fat. So the fat of this bar, still think there's some downward pressure, but I'm okay being up at 100 on 2, considering that at one point I was getting ready to take a reset on the day to get the pro funded. I would reset back to step 2, but now I'm getting to the point where I'm close enough to should be able to pull that 53,000 mark on one trade if I can get lucky enough to catch a good trade in a 30-minute session. So let's see here. How longer did we go over the 2 o'clock mark? It took us 30-minute day trading. Took us 45 minutes today. Not too bad to get positive on the day. All right, that's going to do it for me. Hopefully you learned a little bit. You know, we've got to be willing to reset the account. And I'm in that grandfathered in at 97 or 99 right now because I took advantage of an offer that TopStep Trader had. There's a 30% offer now, by the way, if you take advantage of the combine at this point. There's a 30% offer, which 165 at 30% off times 0.7. 165 times 0.7 makes it $115.50 a month instead of 165. So you're saving about $50 a month to take advantage of the 30% offer right now. Now you're going to go down. Take advantage of what you can. Be smart as the time goes on. Know what a market can and can't do in any given day. If this was Tuesday, I would not have been trading short into close. on the Tuesday turnaround unless it had made a significant move up, and I was trading back to the level of water, the pivot point. Today on Monday, continuation Monday. I was looking for a continuation into close to get back down to the 100 crude oil market. So I believe that we can easily reach to the $100 a barrel mark again between here and to Tuesday. That's kind of what we'll be looking for as I'm looking at tomorrow's trading. So this is the lines that I had on the line. There's your GAN coming back the other direction. Here's your GAN going up, and then we just took advantage of the GAN coming back down. The waves, in other words. And Ralph Nelson Elliott talked about wave theory an awful lot. I use a lot of wave theory in my trading, trying to catch and pick off tops and bottoms using GAN lines and wave theory. And also what normally happens in the market. Knowing what normally happens on a Monday helps you. Tuesday turnaround Tuesday. They don't call it turnaround Tuesday for nothing. And in the end, you're only risking your buy-in. You're not risking 1,500 or 1,700 or whatever that fake dollar amount said at that point in time. I don't even know what that said. It's like minus, might even been as high as minus 2,000 at one point. That's a fake dollar amount because you've got a fixed dollar cost as you're trading at TopStep. Your investment to get into the next level is what you're willing to put in. So if I was willing to reset, that meant that I was willing to take a $97 hit in my account. I always am willing to reset one time a month, make roughly, in this case, a $200 investment to further my trading education and environment to move to the next step. Once you're in pro funded, things change, man. You have to be able, you got to follow the $1,000 mark. You got to follow all the rules that you see at TopStep. You're able to get away. If I would have closed above 1,000 weekly loss, I would have failed the account. If I would have, so I would, in the end, towards the end of the day, right, like right now, if I was close, I'd be moving to try to keep myself a $1,000 weekly loss, $1,000 daily loss to move the trade to next week. So, you know, knowing where the up, where there's an up, there's always a continuation going the other direction to the down. More times than not, I would say 9 out of 10 times you can save yourself in step 1 and step 2 to move. You know, even if you have to take a $1,000 hit and wait for next week, you still can save yourself inside the trading day if you're smart. Now it's going down, you bastard. You killed Kenny, you bastard. So anyway, I'm going to take my ball and I'm going home. Little South Park reference. All right. God bless. Take care. See you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.